Hi everyone, I hope you feel fine. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. This is a house that I'm working. It's a house of my sister. It's an old house. Look at this, the roof, and it is 4 meters of. It's a very tall roof, and you can see here the electricity is new, is outside of the wall, because this construction it has 16 years, so many years of construction. This house has working or has building by the owner, the old owner. The old owner was an Italian man, as many Italian that has come to Argentina in the first part of the century, the 20th century. So this how I paint all apertures, all doors. Now, and this is the room, the matrimonial room, and I repaired that window, antique window of is made by wood. No, I have a humidity there that I make to I have to repair there, and you can see the electricity. The man who works here it make a very good work, and this is another construction, another room, and this is the bathroom. I repaired the bathroom too, and I put that electricity caliphone. I don't know how it called in English. I repaired this vanitory, and here in Argentina we use bidet. That is very weird in other countries, and so it worked everything. I repaired. It was very broke, all of this. The antique people who live here, who rented this house, was very, I don't know, they try very bad the house, and I'm painting the kitchen. Look at this. I put that cast plaque and to take humidity, and it comes from the roof, sorry, from the floor of outside. I put that I don't know how to say. So this kitchen is new, and it's very dirty now, but I got to clean it, and it's gonna be good. And I install all the installation. I make it by myself, and so I'm painting. I'm trying to repair all I can. So this is the final step to put this house to a rent, and so I want to show you this how was a family house in Argentina. So look at the grosor of the wall. This wall was made by bricks, no, and it is a very good construction. The man who's built here, or the man who built this, it was a master, really master, because the house is very good, and it's from 60 years. So you see that the floor is not so good. I'm going to clean it, and it's gonna be better. And so this is the electricity tablet, and I hope you like it. I want to show you how the house is after the paint. So thank you for watching this. I'm learning English, and my vocabulary is not so complete, but I hope you like this record. I don't know how it's called, recorrido. So thank you for watching, and I will show you the next step.